Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Art by SH. I've been getting a lots of requests for my secret recipe to create an amazing 3D texture paste, and today I'm finally sharing it with you. Get ready for something truly unique and impressive that you can make at home. And guess what? It's a lightweight and set like a cement. So let's get started and have some fun. To make this texture paste, here's what you will need: tissue paper, water, a blender, white glue, baby powder, acrylic colors, and a palette knife. Tear the tissue paper into small pieces. This will be the base material for our texture paste. You can see my helper doing this in this video. Step 2. Put the torn tissue paper into the blender and add some water. Blend them until you get a pulpy consistency. This helps bind the tissue paper fibers together. Once blended, drain the excess water and squeeze out any remaining moisture from the tissue paper. Step 3. Transfer the pulp into a mixing bowl. Now it's time to add the secret ingredient that give our texture paste its special properties. Step 4. Add white glue to the pulp mixture. This acts as a binder, helping the texture paste sticky to the canvas. To give the paste some thickness and body, sprinkle in some baby powder. Mix everything well. You have a smooth and pulpy paste. Take your time to knead it properly and make sure everything is nicely blended. Great job! Your texture paste is now ready. It's time to add some colors and make it even more exciting. Grab your acrylic colors, starting with dark brown, purple, white, or any other colors you prefer. Use palette knife to mix the texture paste with these colors. This will give your paste a beautiful and customized hue. Now it's time to apply the color texture paste to your canvas. Use the palette knife to spread it onto the areas where you want to create the 3D effects. Feel free to be creative and bold as you work. And there you have it. You have successfully made your own unique texture paste using simple ingredients from your home. The combination of toned tissue paper, glue, baby powder, and acrylic colors will give your artwork that solid cement-like texture. So, have fun experimenting with your new texture paste and let your creativity flow. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Happy creating, everyone. It's been enough for now. I'll catch you in the next video where I'll share you some exciting tips, tricks, and paintings. Until then, take care. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.